Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and today I have the newly launched Oneplus Bullets Z Wireless. So in this video we are going to unbox them, test them out in terms of build quality, comfort, inline mic and sound quality and much more. So stay tuned till the end of this video to know all about this earphone. So before getting to the video, if you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel, it would be highly appreciated. So OnePlus recently launched their new OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphones, which are their new neckband style of Bluetooth earphones. Now, as soon as I came to know that these earphones are coming, I was very excited to try these out because their previous generation Bullets earphones were fantastic and I expect these earphones to be outperformed as well. So I quickly went ahead and placed the order, and talking about the unboxing, so here is the shipping package of the OnePlus Bullets Z. So as it is not interesting to see, so let's just quickly open this up. So here is the retail box of the OnePlus Bullets Z Wireless, as you can see. So as we are in the process of unboxing this, let's also remove this ugly plastic sheet away. Now it's good. So as you can see here, it says OnePlus, and below this we can see it says 10 minutes of charging, gives us 10 hours of playtime, which is awesome. And below that we can see it has 20 hours of playback, which is good. And here is the image of the earphones itself, how it is supposed to look. And on the side it says Bullets Wireless Z, as you can see on both of the sides. So that's that. And getting to the back, we have some features of these earphones, like we have warp charging, long battery life, magnetic controls, waterproof, quick switch, low latency mode. All these features are needed to be tested to see if it's actually any good or if they're just for printing on the box. But below this we can see the MRP of the device, which is 2,190 rupees, but actually it's around 2,000 rupees. You can get it for 2,000 rupees. But that's it for the readings of the box. But now let's quickly take out our earphones. So let's do it. So we have opened the box in a really interesting way, I guess. So if you like that transition, please leave a like on this video. But we have this image of the earphones itself on the box. So here are the earphones itself. Now we don't need this, I guess. Now down here on the bottom it says never settle, and we have this accessories and user guide. Let's take it out. So the first thing we get here is a USB-C cable to charge these earphones. It's so good to see they have included a USB Type-C instead of micro USB. So that's a good thing. That's included. And let's see what else do we have in the box. Now next obvious thing we get here is the extra ear tips for precise fit, like the small, medium, large. So that's included. So here we have the quick start guide, how to use these earphones, some instructions manual, red cable club. So these are the user manuals. So as we are so pro in this business, so we don't need this, I guess. So that was the unboxing of the OnePlus Bullets Z Wireless. But now let's move to the review of these earphones and see how they perform in the real life and if you should get this or not. Now starting with the design, these are well designed earphones. These are neckband style of earphones. Unlike the other neckband earphones where you have this rigid band in the middle, on these earphones we have very soft necklace which doesn't irritate at all, and it also feels premium. Also, it is soft enough that you can bind it together and put it in your pocket. So I will say that this is somewhat in between the regular neckband earphones and other wireless Bluetooth earphones. But for the color options, I have this in black color, but you can also pick them up in blue, oud and mint color. The material choice is also excellent on the earphones. All the pieces feel high quality and premium. We have this plastic end caps and the earpieces, but in no way they feel cheap or flimsy at all. Although giving metal instead of this plastic would be awesome, but this will work too. So in design, I would rate them 8 out of 10. Build quality. So for the build quality, I would say it has a solid build, but there are few improvements I would suggest. The earpieces and the end caps could be in metal, and the cable between the earpiece and the end caps could be improved. So overall, I don't think you will face any issues with these earphones, but I'll also use these earphones for a month or so and will let you know if there any issue arises in the community tab or in a separate video. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that one. But for the build quality, I would rate them 7 out of 10. Comfort and fitting. Now coming down to a major aspect of any earphones or headphones is the comfort and fitting. It is important to buy an earphones that are comfortable for longer sessions and staying in place. So for that, OnePlus Bullets are very comfortable earphones and the fitting is superb. I was able to listen to these for 3 to 4 hours without any sort of discomfort or pain, and even with roaming around the house, where else can I roam in these days? These were secured and were in their place for most of the time, and this is because the earphones have the shape like the inside part of the ear. Now there are not any sort of ear hooks provided, so you cannot use these earphones for heavy workout, but they are secure enough to be used in light workout and running. So overall, in terms of comfort and fitting, I would give them 8 out of 10. Features. Now on the features side, we have a lot of things going on. So starting with the features, we have quick pair. Now if you are on a OnePlus device, you can connect your Bullets Wireless Z instantly. Just turn on the Bluetooth earphones by separating the magnetic earbuds from each other, and you will receive a pop-up notification on your device to pair, and the earphones will be connected in seconds. And once you have them paired, it will connect automatically next time. Now if you are not on a OnePlus device, the function works exactly the same. Just go to the Bluetooth setting and connect to these earphones, and after this one-time process, your device will automatically connect next time. We do get magnetic earbuds on the Bullets Z, which is the must feature for any neckband style of earphones or any other wireless earphones. It is so convenient to easily manage these earphones onto your neck when you're not using them. By the way, these magnets are pretty strong and doesn't let the earphones detach easily. OnePlus went a step forward with this whole magnetic earbuds kind of thing. They added autoplay in the combination with this magnetic earbuds. So whenever you connect these two earbuds together, it will automatically pause the song, but unfortunately it doesn't play when you detach them. I don't know if mine is faulty that it doesn't play the song again. Even if I use my OnePlus 5T, this doesn't work. And also on my other Android devices, only the pause function works. One more thing is there with this magnetic earbud feature. Whenever you connect the two earbuds together, it will automatically turn off the earphones, and whenever you detach them, it will automatically turn on the earphones. So the advantage of this is that it saves a lot of battery, and it's all automatically. There is no manually turning on or off, so it's all automatic. Quick switch is a feature which is added for those who have to connect the earphones with multiple devices. Like if you have a laptop and a mobile device and you want to switch the earphones between the two, then you can use quick switch to switch the earphones connection between the two devices by a press of a button. To do so, just connect your OnePlus T to one of the device, then double press this button on the neckband, and then you can connect your secondary device. Now whenever you will press this button twice, it will disconnect from the first device and it will connect to the second one. So if you're a guy who is working from home and you have to frequently switch between the Zoom call, still using Zoom, but if you have to switch between your laptop to your smartphone, you can easily do that with this feature. Now this one is for all the gamers out there. On the OnePlus Bullets Z, we have low latency mode, and they are claiming this to go as low as 110 milliseconds. So let's test this by ourselves if it actually works or not. Now on their website, it says that it will work on these OnePlus devices and with the phonetic mode turned on. So I have the OnePlus 5T with phonetic mode turned on for the Call of Duty. So let's fire up some shots and see how much latency we are getting. So as you can see, we are getting around 670 milliseconds to 700 milliseconds. So we can see that the earphones are nowhere near to their claim, which is 110 milliseconds. So if you were considering these earphones for gaming, please look for some wired earphones. There are a lot of out there. Another feature to look for in any of these earphones is IPX water rating, which means the device you are thinking to spend your money should have at least some sort of IPX rating. And you will be glad to know that these earphones have IP55 rating. So if you intend to use these earphones with your workout or travel in rain, it should handle all the H2O. So for the features, I will give the OnePlus a 9 out of 10. Battery life. On the OnePlus Bullets Z, we have XX amount of mAh battery. Seriously, it is not mentioned anywhere on the internet or on their website or on the box how much battery this thing has. But if you do know the battery mAh, then please let everyone know in the comments down below. But what we do know is that this has warp charging, which means if you charge the earphones for 10 minutes, it will give you 10 hours of playback. And if you fully charge the earphones, which took me around 30 minutes to do so with the dash charger, OnePlus claims to give 20 hours of playback, and as of my usage, I got around 18 hours of playback at 60% of volume. So the battery life here is quite decent, and I would like to rate it 8 out of 10. Inline mic. It's good to see we have inline buttons on the earphones as well, which includes play pause button and the volume rocker. Now I will say the buttons are a little mushy and not tactile, but you can do everything from these buttons like play pause, change tracks, adjust the volume, take calls and use voice assistant. And speaking about the inline mic, this is what the inline mic sounds like. So this is the audio quality test of the Oneplus Bullets Wireless Z inline mic. So if you are on a call, this is what the other person will listen to. So I will give these bad boys a rating of 6.5 out of 10 for the inline mic. Sound quality. Now coming down to the crucial part of any freaking audio device, whether you buy earphones, headphones, speakers, which is sound quality. And believe me, this is the only thing that has the most dominance in your buying decision. So talking about sound quality, I have to say the Oneplus Bullets Wireless Z are fantastic sounding earphones. After hearing the device for the first time, I was impressed by them. They sound so premium. Now let me break it down. As of the driver size, we have 9.2mm of driver, which produces excellent frequency response of 20Hz to 20 kHz. And in terms of reproducing the sound, it produces excellent bass, mids and highs. All are well balanced out. If we talk certainly about the bass, it's not overpowering at all. It is in ample amount. You will be able to listen to all the bass guitars, 808s and kicks, and on the flip side, it's not muddy at all. They produce great mids and highs as well, so I didn't feel it was struggling at all. The high frequency is crystal clear and you will not feel that it is lacking any clarity. Now the earphones are loud and there is no need to turn them up all the way, at least for me. I usually listen to 60 to 70% volume, so even if you listen to high volume levels, I think it would be enough for you. And last aspect of the sound quality is the distortion, and to tell you guys, there is not any kind of distortion even at higher volume levels. So all in all, the Bullets Z are best in sound quality, and I haven't seen any earphone sound so good at this price range. So if you listen to anything, any genre, hip hop, pop, rock, EDM, folk, classical, blues, R&B, what else, Musiala, anything, you will love this. So for the sound quality, I would give them a solid 10 out of 10. Pricing. Now talking about the pricing of these earphones, the Bullets Z are available for 2000 rupees in India and $50 in the US. So if you are interested in checking these out, you can go to the links down below in the description. First one. But in terms of pricing, I would say they are priced well. I mean, there is nothing much we can ask for at this price range. There are other earphones at this price, but they are not up to the mark. So I would say this one is the best value for money. So for the pricing, 9 out of 10. I will only give 10 out of 10 to the products which are free. So overall, I like the Oneplus Bullets Z. They have a lot of features like good build quality, comfort, fast charging, magnetic buds, quick pair, quick switch, and one of the best sound quality under this price range. So if you're looking to buy an earphones for 2000 rupees or $50, I would highly recommend it. You should check these out. And if you want me to compare these earphones with the Realme Buds Wireless, then please let me know in the comments down below. But that's been it guys, that was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. What are you waiting for? Until then, stay safe, bye bye.